Welcome back to CryptoTrain.io. Just going to do a quick little video on Bitcoin. So here's Bitcoin on the 2-hour chart. We can see that we have changed colors. We have not changed colors on our mom indicator. So that tells us that we're probably going to have a little pullback. So right here is where we're looking to try to go long. We really want the two moving averages to stay above each other. Like they are right now. So we want this little pullback to come down here, stay above the moving average, look, see what happens when it gets down here. And then we have 1, 2, and 3 sell positions right there. But right now, if you get in right now, you're gonna have the dollar cost down, because I think that is we're gonna head back down to have a correction, because your mom indicator, your momentum indicator, is pointing down. So wait until it starts turning up. Everything turns green on us, probably around in this area, and then we'll go long on there. Right now, to go short is really risky, because you don't know if this is going to pump like crazy or if it's actually going to come down here. So wait, see when it gets right here. Uh, if you start doing now, again, you're going to have the dollar cost average in, and that's just dumb. You can also see that we have a trend line right here. So you can see that if that trend line holds, that looks like we'll have a inverted head and shoulders when this does correct itself. So right now, it's a waiting game. Join Discord, because I'll keep you up to date on what Bitcoin's doing on the 2-hour chart. Now, I'll see you on the next video.